I'm Ryan.
I'm Shan.
Ooh, that was quick.
Yeah, I know.
We're out of order today.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yay! Mother's Day again.
Yay.
Hey. We're not doing anything for Father's Day now.
So today we are building birds.
Oh, someone didn't set up my
Yeah, we
bag
did.
properly.
We did. He's just slow on the uptake. So yeah, this is the bird set. It was Lego Ideas, right?
Yeah.
What's the set number on this?
It's 21301.
There you go. So it's a little bit older set. It's obviously retired. But Nick really does like her birds, and I think birds are appropriate because Mother's Day is in springtime. So we decided to build the beautiful birds today.
Okay, let's dump and do.
Oh, I have a robin. And what do you have? You have
I have a hummingbird.
hummingbird. Yeah. And a flower. Yours has a flower.
I have
I can't open mine. A blue jay.
EJ, but it's foreign. Oh, what if the instructions are not in English?
Did I say that like a few weeks ago? So, you like the birds? I like how they're labeled, but I wish they had like a common name, not the scientific name.
Yeah.
That's okay.
That's one of the coolest flowers I've seen.
Yeah, that's a really cool
That is,
flower.
I like flowers too.
So Ryan was like done instantly.
Like
Yeah.
that.
He just like
Blink and you'll miss it.
right. You were like Emmett, Master Builder.
Okay.
It took actually we finished at the same time
We did,
roughly,
didn't we?
right?
Yeah.
Maybe we should have blindfolded you.
It took me 22 minutes and it took you guys 36.
Not that anyone was looking or
No.
counting.
He was watching the time go by.
Not at all. Not at all. No.
Ooh.
They had more pieces than I do.
Yeah, well, I don't know, because you have two things. But
yeah, that, I
you
think
know
that's
what, look
it's
at-
leading.
But look at
this
how
is just stacked.
Yeah, look at how
Yeah.
big your bird is compared to mine. Both these birds are way bigger than this thing
Actually,
is.
that one's a lot bigger. Mine's
Yeah.
not too much bigger.
But you got a big bulk in the body. This thing has no bulk in the middle. Same thing with the blue jay.
Yeah.
It's just pieces out.
This looks more like a parakeet, actually,
I think it looks like a blue jay.
from the back.
Oh, from the back.
I do like
you
it,
can see
though.
like eyes and a colored head, and he's eating out of the flower.
It's getting nectar. Mine's just spinning on a branch.
But don't play with it. It's not stable.
Yeah.
This is made for display only.
Definitely. I think all of them are. 'Cause I mean,
Well, just because of the way to support them, to hold them
Yeah.
up so they look in the air.
yeah, mine's just actually
That's,
a little
Yeah, she's got the
axle
same
that
thing you
just
do.
sits in.
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, if it tips over, it's going to fall out.
I just got the clear Ghostbusters bar. The
Yeah.
little Slimer on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful. Actually, this probably weighs more than an actual bird.
Probably doesn't weigh much anything.
So there we go. All the little birdies for Mother's Day.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. Actually, I don't know what kind of sounds they make. We should look that up.
Don't know.
So, happy Mother's Day. And this is a set. What was the number again?
21301.
And if you like the beautiful birds and you like our show and want to see more, then
Like,
and then you have to
share.
and then we're gonna plaster it on
My
Ryan's
head
head
today.
right there where Ryan's head is or was. Subscribe. Oh, put your bell on too.
Ring a ding.
Yeah. So see ya.
Bye.
Wouldn't want to be ya.
Because we're going to celebrate Mother's Day.